بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. My dear all of people in Bangladesh, and I hope that all of people there have a happy and very good life at this moment. But I doesn't know that those person is very harmful. But at now, it's very clear that all of Awamu League people, Awamu League worker at the face lot of huge, and particularly there are some people here corrupted. There have any law including for him, but innocent people, we are innocent people that we have no that any July and August is occur. It's a very harmful all of country. But now at this moment, now it is a very important that election is the one way from this all of situation under control at the any police, army, all of reality and everything that there have some step at this moment. Then I hope that all of crime must be removed from this my country Bangladesh. Today and tomorrow only must be come back at the election, and I hopefully and I will pray all of times from my core of heart. Bangladesh Awamu League is a big party, but some people and one family means that Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman families is a very corrupted person is clear at this moment all of people. For this reason, only one Sheikh Hasina, she has come at Bangladesh, and all of Sheikh family member, there are never participate any election for Bangladesh because there are corrupted and very dangerous thing. This moment we are face huge something carry on your market, but we know that there are a huge worker, they are faced to any law, but they have no without any law. They have a name on his list, then you are arrested. For this reason, I want to say something. My Honorable Sheikh Hasina, you must become back at Bangladesh and you face all of things with all of worker, and inshallah next election will be successful election, and Bangladesh Awamu League you have to be control all of Bangladesh situation, inshallah. জয় বাংলা, জয় বঙ্গবন্ধু, জয় হোক বাংলার সকল মেহনতি মানুষের, আমিন।